Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from DTV NN. Let me take you to the special report. Saaf Pani organized a successful fundraiser at Elite Indo Park Restaurant, Sugarland, Texas on June 12, 2024. Sponsored by Aliana Brothers. Abdul Majid Adam, CEO, explained how hard this organization is working in Pakistan and introduced all the work has been done and what's next step toward Saaf Pani project and introduced their team on ground in Pakistan. Hafiz Imam Hamza Ghia was the keynote speaker and motivated the audience to support the Saaf Pani project. At the end, Shabana Rahman thanks all the guests, sponsors, and media personalities. Please watch the special report.
Right? So, we all know Brother Abdul Majid. He's been with the community for a very long time. We see his initiative in the masjid. He approached us and we all trying to join together to support him, right? We'll never probably know in our life what a thirst is like, right? What it is to be thirsty or of, having someone fall ill because of some diseases related to water, right? So these are the things that, Brother Abdul Majid is going to talk about. About Aliana Brothers, I just want to add one more thing about Aliana Brothers, right? It's a great group. I have a saying, right, about Aliana Group. From changing a bulb in someone's house to electing a president, we do it all at Aliana, all right? So anytime we have a problem, we just reach out and there's brothers out there to help us, right? So it's an amazing, amazing group and it's a model community that I think everyone should adopt, whether that's Harvest Green. I know there are some brothers in Harvest Green, right? So I think it is something that we should follow, whether it's getting directors elected in Mud and all that, right? And it's not one person, it's a group, it's the support of everyone that keeps this going. One last thing, right? I'm moving to Dallas, but thankfully I'm not selling my house here, so I still get to be part of the Aliana group. You'll probably see me in your functions or whatever, right? And we keep this going on, inshallah. But one thing that I really feel sad, in my 25 years in the US, I've never met brothers like this. Brother Raza, Brother Fateh, Brother Azim, Brother Fahad. I want to name everyone who's here. I just love these brothers, right? And I don't know, last few days have been very mixed feelings for me, right? It is a new city to go to and all that, but it's just the sorrow of missing these brothers, not seeing them or not talking to them in the masjid or whatever that I'm going to miss. And I love you all, my brothers, all right? Jazakallah khair for everything and keep supporting these events, brothers. ने फरमाया, अबू हुरैरा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु कोट करते हैं कि अल्लाह के रसूल अलैहि सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम
तुम में से कोई भी शख्स अपनी जायज हलाल नेक कमाई में से अगर एक खजूर अल्लाह की राह में सदका करता है, देता है किसी को, अल्लाह अकबर, आपने फरमाया कि अल्लाह उसे अपने हाथ में लेकर बढ़ाता है, जिस तरह आप अपने बच्चों की परवरिश करते हो। अल्लाह अकबर। ये एक खजूर का आदर है मेरे भाइयों बहनों बीवियों अजीजों। आज हमसे जो डोनेशन मांग रहे हैं, अल्लाह जानता है आप में से हर शख्स इस बात पर कादिर है कि एक सबमर्सिबल पंप हमें डोनेट करे। अब इस
program and presenting it in front of all of us. May Allah Ta'ala accept from you and all of us present here. Say Ameen. So as we move towards the last leg of this program, I know some of us are fasting, so please feel free to get the appetizers which are still there. I'd like you all to stay ahead of your starting times, and we can do that. There may be a slight delay in doing our Maghrib. However, we want to make sure that we want to complete the program. So as we move towards the last part of the event, I'd like to remind all of us present here to please participate in this event through your generous contributions. We have several options that we could use today to donate. And one is the website, inshallah, and that's one way, and there's a QR code present on the cards that are here. One thing that I'd like to remind all the brothers and sisters, whoever are donating, do this in the name of Allah and as Sadaqah Jariyah. There is this card present in front of you. In the back of the card is where you have to fulfill the details, like please make sure to update, write down the names of the people upon whom you want to do the Sadaqah Jariyah, or if it is Isa alayhi salam. So you could, this is at the back of the card where you will find that information. In the front you have the donation details and all of it. But if you flip that card on the left, on the back side, you will see the QR code. There are details that you can fill up. Those are important ones because this project that we do, Majid Uncle and Zahidwan and the people in Pakistan, whoever coordinates this, they make sure that this, all the sites that they are building have the details of the name of the people upon whom you are actually contributing for. So now I call upon a keynote speaker, Hamza.
That's all for now. Keep watching DTV NN. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to watch our channel Desi TV USA and log on to our OTT platform DTV Flix to explore over 3,000 channels which we provide.